Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Let's Chat English, the podcast where we help you speak real English with confidence and ease. I'm Emma, an English teacher who's worked with students from over 20 countries. I love seeing learners grow, and I know how powerful even a short, simple conversation can be.
And I'm Michael. I used to be a shy learner too. When I was first learning to speak Spanish, I was so nervous I couldn't even order coffee. So I really understand how English learners feel. That's why we're here, to help you feel safe, supported, and excited to speak English.
Exactly. Today's topic is something every learner faces: confidence. What if I make a mistake? What if I forget a word? What if they don't understand me? Those are normal thoughts, and we're going to help you move past them. So, sit back, relax, and get ready. Whether you're on your way to work, at home cooking, or just having a break, this is your time to grow. Let's chat.
Let's be honest. Speaking in another language can feel scary. Even when you know the grammar, your mouth just doesn't move. You freeze. That's okay. We all feel it.
I once had a student from Japan. She was very good at writing, but she never spoke in class. One day I asked her why. She said, "Because I'm afraid they will laugh." But guess what? When she finally spoke, everyone clapped. People don't laugh, people support.
Yes, and I remember the first time I spoke to a tourist in English when I was 17. I said, "You lost?" instead of, "Are you lost?" But the tourist smiled and said, "Yes, can you help me?" That small moment made me want to speak more.
So remember, nervous is normal, but if you speak, even a little, you win. Every sentence builds your strength.
Okay, now let's talk about action. What can you do to feel more confident?
First tip, use easy phrases every day. Even saying good morning to someone in the elevator is good practice.
Second tip, speak out loud to yourself. I do this in Turkish when I'm learning. I say, "I am cooking now," or "It is sunny today."
Third tip, repeat after English speakers. This is called shadowing. Watch a short video, pause it, and copy how the speaker talks.
And fourth tip, don't wait for big conversations. Small talks are powerful. Order food, ask for directions, say, "Have a nice day" to the bus driver.
The more you do it, the more your brain feels, hey, I can do this.
Many learners tell us, "My mind goes blank." Let's fix that.
Before you leave home, think of 2 or 3 things you can say. For example, I watched a funny video. I made pasta for dinner. My cat was so silly today.
Write them in a notebook or speak them into your phone.
And guess what? These are real topics. Real people talk about food, pets, the weather, TV shows. You don't need deep ideas.
Simple is natural. Simple is human. Simple connects people.
Still not sure what to say? Look around.
Say something about the moment. It's busy today. The music is nice here. That cake looks delicious.
These are called icebreakers. They start conversations in a friendly, no-pressure way.
Even if the person doesn't reply much, it shows you're trying. And many times, they will smile or say something back. That little exchange builds your courage. Another secret, you don't always need to ask questions. You can react to what people say.
If someone says, "I went to the beach," you can say, "Nice. Did you swim?" "Oh, I love the beach. Was it crowded?"
Simple reactions help the conversation continue.
And if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Just say, "Sorry, can you say that again? What does that mean?"
Most people will be happy to help you understand.
Sometimes you need to go. Here are some easy exit lines. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now, but I hope we talk again. Thanks for the chat.
Short, sweet, and friendly. That's the key.
And don't worry if you said something wrong. You spoke. That's a success.
Let's review today's tips. Speak every day, even a little. Use simple phrases. Shadow English speakers. Talk about your day. Notice your surroundings. React naturally. End politely.
Every word you say brings you closer to fluency. Confidence is not something you wait for, it's something you build one step at a time. Don't forget to download today's free worksheet in the description. It has practice phrases, short conversation starters, and a mini vocabulary quiz. Hey friends! Today I've picked 5 easy and useful words that came up in our conversation. These are real words people use every day, and now you can too. Brave. Doing something even if you're scared. Example. You were brave to start that conversation. Try. To make an effort to do something. Example. Just try speaking, even one sentence. Friendly. Kind and nice to people. Example. He gave me a friendly smile. Nervous. Feeling a little scared or unsure. Example. I was nervous before my first English class. Practice. To do something again and again to get better. Example. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Start using these today. One word at a time makes a big difference. Mini quiz. Speak English with confidence. A1 to A2. Why did Emma's student from Japan avoid speaking in class? A. She didn't like English. B. She was afraid people would laugh. C. She couldn't understand grammar. Correct answer, B. What is shadowing according to the podcast? A. Writing down vocabulary. B. Reading grammar rules. C. Repeating after native speakers. Correct answer, C. Which of these is a good icebreaker from the episode? A. What is your job title? B. The music is nice here. C. How many languages do you speak fluently? Correct answer, B. What should you do if you don't understand someone? A. Stay silent. B. Smile and walk away. C. Ask them to repeat. Correct answer, C. What does the word brave mean? A. Funny. B. Doing something even if you're scared. C. Speaking quickly. Correct answer, B.
Thanks so much for spending your time with us on Let's Chat English. We believe in your voice, and we believe in your journey. Remember, confidence doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means showing up, trying, and growing a little each day.
You don't need fancy words to connect. You just need your voice, your heart, and a willingness to speak. Every mistake you make is part of learning. Every time you try, you move forward.
We've been there too, so if you ever feel alone, remember, thousands of learners around the world are listening just like you. We're building this journey together.
So, be kind to yourself, celebrate your small wins, and don't wait for perfect. Speak now, speak simply, and speak often.
Let's keep chatting in English and keep growing, one word at a time. Bye.